All right, welcome back. We are covering number 22, tip number 22 of 25 tips to become a better driver. I think that we all can apply these tips, and some of us need to use them more than others. So, again, before we get started today on tip number 22, use your blinker, please. Please use your blinker. I'm gonna ask you to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. If you're back multiple times, it's just time to subscribe to the channel. Hook Uncle Paul up. It's time. Also, click the alert button to be notified of future content, and then also appreciate it if you'd just give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you appreciate the effort being put forth to create these videos and this content. And today, again, as I mentioned, we're covering use your blinker, please. So there's so many different reasons why you should use your blinker. Number one, the first and foremost reason is just for safety's sake, right? Whether you're changing lanes, getting ready to, turn a corner, there's so many good advantages in terms of why you should just move your fingers a couple of inches to the blinker's turn signal and use it, push it up or down. It really doesn't take that much extra effort. But what it does is it signals people, what your plans are, right? It helps them make decisions as well. And you're just being courteous in doing it, right? So if you're passing, you absolutely need to use your blinker. Now, here's the other thing. If you're passing, just because you use your blinker doesn't mean that you can move over into the left lane and pass. You got to make sure that the oncoming traffic coming up on the left-hand side is not coming too quickly for you. So that's one thing that I want to encourage you to consider. So see a lot of people just put their left-hand blinker on and just turn, or the right blinker on and just turn over without any consideration or any concern about, the traffic coming up ahead. So I've seen so many near miss accidents. So that's one reason. The other reason, if you're turning left or turning right and people are at a four-way stop, or is at a T section, they know that they can go, and they're trying to gauge the oncoming traffic. You should use it whether it's turning right or turning left. You need to let people know what you're going to do, because that allows them to make appropriate decisions, especially when there's heavy traffic, about if they can make it or not, or if they should go. If they know that you're turning, that lets them know that they'll have enough opportunity to make that turn or not. It's just courteous. It's just being courteous, and then also it keeps traffic moving. It prevents backups from happening. So there's so many different, besides just safety, there's so many different reasons why you should use your turn signal. And it will help reduce the number of dirty looks and waving waves with the middle finger that you get, and the stink eyes that you get. So I think it's a benefit to do it and consider it. And here's the thing I want to encourage you to do: just get in the habit of doing it. Try it for 10 days. If you can do it for 21 days, typically things become a habit, right? So just try using it, be on purpose with it, do it for 21 days, right? And see if things don't improve for you just a little bit. Plus, it forces you to focus on what you want to do. So anyway, that's going to do it. Do me a favor again, if you have not done so already, like I mentioned earlier, would appreciate it if you'd subscribe to the channel, if you'd click the thumbs up and let me know that you appreciate it, and show others that you like the video. And then also, click the alert button to be notified of future content. And then feel free to share this video or this playlist with anybody that might benefit from hearing this. And I know a few people who can't drive. So let Uncle Paul do the dirty work. Let me do it for you, and we'll go from there. So that's going to do it. We'll talk to you in the next recording.